Today we are going to learn what is job sequencing with deadline. So job sequencing with deadline means there are some jobs with deadlines which we need to finish. So we can say if we use array for this, array which is called ready queue, array which is called ready queue, but it's array not queue, but it's array not queue. While some jobs are ready to run but CPU is busy, we can say simply. So according to the CPU scheduler, if we talk about the CPU scheduler, so it will select which one will go to the CPU and when CPU is free, when multiple jobs are ready. If we talk about CPU scheduler or we talk about multiple jobs are there, so according to that CPU scheduler, it will select the job when CPU is free, when multiple jobs are waiting. So we can say simply in that respect, array is best option instead of linked list, but as we know, array require continuous memory location. So we can say while linked list doesn't require, so because its memory is available on hard disk, but it is not possible in array. But then linked list doesn't provide random access while array have. So we can say linked list discontinuous memory. So this is contiguous, this is discontinuous. So in linked list, we store the data in hard disk and random access is not possible, while array have. So in this case, we talk about some scheduling algo like first come first serve. So if all have same arrival, then it doesn't work. And shortest job first serve, without running we cannot say that what will be the runtime exactly, so we cannot say it will work. So what are the conditions we can say we have in this job sequencing? Let's see what are the conditions we have. We have conditions like all job arrival time, same. So all jobs are having same arrival time. What is the second condition? Second condition is all job running time is 1 unit. All jobs running time is 1 unit. So in that case we can say shortest job first serve, this will fail, this will not work. And all jobs arrival time is same, so first come first serve is also not work. What is the next condition? Interleaving is not allowed. Interleaving is not allowed. It means round robin will not work, because we cannot leave a job in between and we cannot start the next job. So round robin doesn't work here. And What the next condition? Only single CPU is available. Single CPU is available. So these are the 4 conditions which belongs to the job sequencing. So that's why these all scheduling algo doesn't work. So we can say only what is allowed, only based on priority we can work on the job scheduling, job sequencing with deadline. So what is exactly these are the condition and how we can work on it, we will see in the next exam, next lecture.